Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix Cash App if it's not working properly on your phone. Let's get started. Cash App needs a stable connection, so scroll down from the top right of the screen and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is on and working. Try switching networks if the app isn't loading. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Cash App and then reopen it to refresh the app. Make sure your Cash App is updated. Open your App Store on your phone. Once you're on your home page, tap the profile icon at the top right of the screen. Search for Cash App and then tap update if available. Sometimes the problem is on Cash App site, so check online if Cash App server are down. If so, wait until they fix it. If none of this works, try contacting support and explain your problem, and Cash App will help resolve it. And that's it. By checking your internet, updating app or contacting support can fix Cash App on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.